one likes working in a mess. It's frustrating to waste time looking for a memo, a reference text, or maybe even a pen or a pad of post-it notes. It can be even worse when you're working from home because the boundaries between your home mess and your work mess can be blurry. All that time you spend hunting through the piles on your desk or the files on your computer desktop is a waste, and that waste is costing you money. But you can overcome the chaos by following a few simple strategies. Tidying and organizing your workspace will improve productivity and efficiency and reduce unnecessary waste in your practice. Welcome to Gimbal's Tip of the Week, where you get practical, actionable advice you can use right away to start building a more productive and profitable legal practice. One way to organize, declutter, and restructure your workspace is by implementing 5S, an improvement strategy developed in Japan meant to increase productivity and preserve your sanity. Its name comes from 5 Japanese words, each begins with the letter S: sort, straighten or store, shine or sweep, standardize, and sustain. Discover how you can restore order to your practice using the 5S method. We've got lots of information about it in other tips. Just search for 5S on our website, gimbalcanada.com. A second way to organize, declutter, and restructure your workspace is through Marie Kondo's approach. If you haven't heard of her, she has a book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, which emphasizes getting rid of items that don't spark joy in your life. Even if you're not particularly into sparking joy, the KonMari method, as it's known, can be really useful. Here are 2 of her more valuable tips. 1. Discard anything you don't need. It can seem overwhelming to get rid of all the things you don't need all at once, but Kondo advises that you should, and you should do it in categories. Go through your papers, or your books, or your files and other documents. Ask yourself, what will be of further help to you or to your firm? Toss out, shred, recycle, or give away everything that is of no value. You can do this exercise with your entire team. Working together, you'll be able to make quicker decisions about what you should get rid of. Just imagine how much less stressful things would be for your entire operation if you decluttered the office. So that's number 1. Next is 2, clear digital clutter. Think about all the newsletters you subscribe to and all the pending emails you've never opened. Your digital junk reduces your productivity. By deleting anything that isn't of value, you'll make it easier to prioritize client emails. Also, delete lesser-used apps and transfer old digital files to an external hard drive. Tidying up your digital world may also improve the processing speed of your device, which has its own benefits. So this week's action item is set aside some time this week, even if it's just a short time, a couple of hours, to tidy and organize your office. Whether you decide to apply 5S, the KonMari method, or a blend of both, decluttering will improve your productivity and your effectiveness. You'll get more done in less time and with less stress, and you'll have more time for everything else that's important to you. Legal professionals who have an organized work environment deliver more value for themselves, their firm, and most importantly, for their clients. They're much more likely to be recognized as true, value-driven professionals. And that's this week's tip. If you want information like this once a week, sign up at leanlegal.academy/tips so you never miss a tip of the week. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you next week. And remember, you should not have to work so hard. Every lawyer deserves a successful practice and the time and freedom to enjoy that success.